Okay, quick update on my little project. I was trying to do a motorized slider for any kind of camera, basically, GoPro, cell phone, maybe even a DSLR, which I think would fit. It's just that I haven't had any luck getting it to where it's slow enough to be practical. I got the motor on it; it just snaps right through. I'll show you guys. Okay, here's a little concoction. Oh crap. It's not gonna be in frame. I'm going the wrong way. But you'll get the gist of it. Oh, yeah, that's way too fast. Um, if you look at it, there's a little motor. It's got two motors actually, and a bunch of popsicle stick guards that keep it in place and everything. It's still not good. There's the voltage dimmer. Um, the slower you go, the less torque you get. So I got to figure that out somehow. Okay. And I think that wraps this video up. I don't know what else I could see. That's gonna be stupid. All right, later, guys. Fuck it.